Hello friends, welcome to our channel Speak Kashmiri Easily. In this lesson, we will continue to learn about personal pronouns and their usage in Kashmiri and will focus only on masculine and plural forms of these personal pronouns. All you have to do is to repeat after me. Let's get started. Ösçü kım karan. Ösçü kım karan. We are working. Us is the pronoun in this sentence. Toh kya çıvı karan? Toh kya çıvı karan? What are you doing? Toh is the pronoun in this sentence. We could have also used a different way of questioning. Toh çıva kım karan? Toh çıva kım karan? Are you all working? Remember from the last lesson, the first version, "Toh kya chu karan," is a generic question that could be asked for absolutely anything. But when we know a group of people are working or want to know if they are working, we would only say "Toh chua kum karan." Next, yim ch kum karan. Yim ch kum karan. They are working. Hum ch kum karan. Hum ch kum karan. They are working. Always remember, yim is used when a group of people are very near to you, and when you're speaking, you can actually see them as close as being next to you. Whom is used when you see the people about whom you're talking about, but they are a bit distant from you. And the last version is Tim ch kum karan. Tim ch kum karan. Tim is used only in cases when the people about whom you are speaking are not visible to you while you are talking about them. Let's do a quick recap. Do speak after me. Ösç kım karan. Toh kya çıvı karan. Toh çıva kım karan. Yımçı kım karan. Humçı kım karan. Timçı kım karan. That was it in today's lesson. We will see you in the next one. Bye bye.